Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join public Lifesteal SMP. First, understand that Lifesteal SMP servers offer a unique twist on Minecraft gameplay. You'll find that the core mechanic involves losing a heart when you die, but you can also gain hearts by defeating other players. This creates an intense and competitive environment. To get started, your first step is to locate a public server and obtain its specific IP address. Finding the right Lifesteal SMP server is crucial for a great experience. You can easily find these servers by browsing popular Minecraft server listing websites or by checking out community forums dedicated to Lifesteal gameplay. When you're searching, prioritize servers that have a consistently active player base and positive reviews. Once you've chosen a server, make sure to carefully note down its unique IP address and any associated port number. You'll need these details very soon. Now that you have your server's IP address, it's time to connect. Launch your Minecraft game and head straight to the multiplayer menu. From there, you'll want to click on the Add Server button. In the designated fields, carefully input the server's IP address and port number you noted earlier. Before attempting to join, always double-check that the server's Minecraft version is compatible with your own client to avoid any connection issues. Then, simply click Done and join the server. Once you're in a Lifesteal SMP, strategy is key. Your initial focus should be on gathering essential resources and establishing a secure, hidden base to protect your items and hearts. When it comes to player versus player combat, approach it cautiously. Every heart counts, so only engage when you're confident you can win and steal a heart, rather than losing one yourself. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Remember, careful planning and smart engagements will help you thrive in the Lifesteal world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.